Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran, وَلَا تَكُونُوا كَالَّذِينَ تَفَرَّقُوا وَاخْتَلَفُوا مِن بَعْدِ مَا جَاءَهُمُ الْبَيِّنَاتُ وَأُولَٰئِكَ لَهُمْ عَذَابٌ عَظِيمٌ. Translation: Be not like those who have become divided and have disputed after clear proofs had come to them. For them there is a mighty chastisement. Scholars have said that this ayah is about the Jews and Christians who differed and became divided. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded Muslims not to be like that, not to become divided, not to make new ways and make new sects in your religion. When the clear commandments and clear signs have come from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Muslims should remain united. Muslims should remain as a one nation and they should not divide due to the worldly benefits and due to their arrogance or due to their desires. We see that even today there are Muslims who make different groups because of the worldly benefits, because of their arrogance and worldly desires, and this is extremely dangerous behavior because it may take them out from the circle of Islam. Those divisions that have become evident in the usul-e-shara, meaning the principles or foundation of deen, like if a group is denying the hadith, or if a group is denying the finality of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as the last messenger, or if a group is keeping a belief that Quran is not saved by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and it has changes in it, these groups have left the circle of Islam. However, if there are groups in the Muslim Ummah who differ in the sub-branches of Sharia or what is called Faru'i things, they do not leave the circle of Islam. And this difference of opinion has been among the Aima Mujtahideen, the big scholars, big four scholars of Islam. And also at some point there were some difference of opinion in among the Sahaba as well. And this ayah does not talk about those differences. However, one must understand that this tafarraqa or division at a higher level is a very dangerous thing because it may take someone out of the circle of Islam and may make him among those who will get the mighty punishment from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So one must be very careful that he does not make any division and always try to make a Muslim Ummah united so that he may not come among those unfortunate people who are mentioned in this ayah. The group of Muslims that are adherent to the rope of Allah, to the Quran, and to the teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a group that is always present in the Muslim Ummah and will always remain present through the end of this world, and all the Muslims must try to enter that group, and that is only possible if they have fear of Allah and they do not divide and they stick to the Quran and they do the Amr bil Ma'ruf wa Nahi anil Munkar, meaning they call towards goodness and they forbid from evil. Let's pray that Allah keep us among these people. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.